Welcome and welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be making some chicken flour tacos. We're going to be using the flour tortillas, and we're going to be cooking up some chicken tenderloins. And over here I've got seasoned chicken. I've already seasoned it, and now I added 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of flour. And I'm just trying to get this mixed in here to create a sort of glue or paste, a covering, if you will, so that it can have it can fry up a little bit crispy. We're going to pan fry it. Okay, you can also do this without the coating, but I just wanted them to be crispy. So, all right. Now you can also let this set for a while, but I'm just going to start cooking them immediately as soon as the oil is hot. And we're going to be using, again, like I said, flour tortillas. So it's going to be like chicken tacos. And I use some taco seasoning and other seasonings as well. And I'll let you know about them in a second. Okay, I just want to make sure this is all mixed in, so we can just fry it lightly, and then we'll finish cooking them up in the oven. So I used some taco mix for flavoring. I also used some onion powder, garlic powder, some complete seasoning, some poultry seasoning, and a little bit of curry, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And of course you can use whatever seasonings you like. You're going to make these to your taste. Alright, and let's see if the oil is hot enough. Okay, I just wanted a little bit of a coating on there. And like I said again, you don't have to fry these up. You can just pan cook them, sear them on the pan. If you like them that way. Maybe a little bit of chicken stock. Okay, we're also going to be adding, when we assemble our flour tortillas, we're going to add some shredded cheese, some lettuce, and some tomato. Okay, here we go. Alright, let me see if I can possibly squeeze in another piece. Okay. So welcome again to everyone that's here. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. Okay, I post 2 videos, sometimes 3 per week. And that way you'll be notified of any new videos. And thank you for that. And also I want to thank those of you that have been leaving comments. They're very encouraging. And I love reading the comments, and I get back to each and every one of them. Okay, so we're going to let this finish cooking for a little bit, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're going to turn these over. And let those cook a little bit on that side. Then we'll add the rest, and then they'll go in the oven. Okay, so we're removing the rest of the chicken, and this is nicely browned on both sides. Okay, and so we're gonna wrap it up in foil, and this is gonna go in the oven for about half an hour until it's fully cooked, and then we'll come back and make our flour tortilla tacos, chicken tacos. Okay, so our chicken is ready, and we've got some lettuce and cucumber cut up here to go with that. We don't have tomatoes. I thought I had tomatoes, but I don't. I must have used it in the last salad that I made. So we've got chicken. Okay, the only thing I have to do is I have to heat up some wraps, some fajita wraps. Okay, and these are the ones that I'm using. So it doesn't matter what kind you use. Okay, and these are 10 count. These are large, soft taco flour tortillas. Just gonna warm them up a little bit in the toaster oven. We're also gonna be using some cheese. Okay, we've got the shredded cheese. Make sure you guys are in frame. We've got some Colby Jack cheese. Again, you can use whatever cheese you like. Alright, and if you want to add sour cream in your flour tortillas, that's good too. Okay, that's our chicken. Okay, nice and cooked through. Alrighty. Here's our one heated flour tortilla. We're going to add some shredded cheese. You can also make quesadillas with this also if you like. And I might do that in another recipe, in another video. Okay, that's a little bit of lettuce. Okay, maybe a little bit more cheese. And again, you can add dressing or whatever it is that you like. Okay, here's another heated up. should have added the cheese first. Oh well. That's okay. Okay. Oh, it's falling apart. There you go. And we're gonna add cheese. You want to add salsa to this, that's good too. You can also add a sprinkle of taco seasoning to this. Okay. And there you have it. Okay, those are our two chicken flour tortillas, chicken tacos, 2 chicken tacos. Okay. And again, you make these as you like them. Okay. I hope you have a good view of them because I know I'm a little bit close to the camera. Alrighty. Thanks for coming by.